In this video, we're pretty well going to get close to the finishing elements of our design. What we have done in the last video is, if I turn off the third body down there, is created four rebate tabs that stick out of our leg design. And what we want to do is use those rebate legs to cut notches in the table, in the stool top. So to do this, we're going to perform a combine. So on the combine tool up here, we want to click on that, and then we want to select our target body. Our target body is body 3, the tabletop. Then it asks us to select our tool bodies. The tool bodies that we want to use are the tool legs. The operation that we want them to perform is a cut, because we want our stool legs to cut through the tabletop where those tabs are. And what we want to make sure we tick is this box here that says keep tools, otherwise you'll lose those legs. So we want to make sure that that keep tools box is ticked, and clicking OK, we can see that it will do a combine. Now you can see our tabs are still left on there. We still have the same amount of bodies, but if I turn my two leg bodies off and my tabletop bodies on, you can see now I have the rebates for those tool legs. Fantastic. What we want to aim to do now is complete the same process for our rails, so that our rails cut into the side of our legs. Then we can put it all together without making or using any screws. So what we need to do is create a sketch. Zooming in, we're going to create a sketch on this surface here, and we're going to make it a rectangle. And we're just going to draw a little rectangle in here to give us a bit of an understanding of the size, and we want to make our tabs here 15 by 15, and we're going to do another one, drawing it in here, making it 15 tab by 15, enter, and then dimensioning this off the end here. Let's make it 10 millimeters up, and this one up here also 10 millimeters in from the end. And we essentially want to make sure that we do that on each one. Then we're going to extrude the tabs out a distance of 7.5 millimeters. Okay, so that we are going to cut with those tabs into our chair legs 7.5 millimeters deep, and then it all should clip in nicely with a little bit of glue. So see if you can use the steps that have been shown to you in creating these combines to make a rebate, and the tabs so that you can do all four sides of these rails. For example, if I just turn off these other bodies, you need to go through and do all four sides of those rails. See how you go with that step.